Hello everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to reset the filter indicator on your GE JVM7195SKSS microwave. This light comes on to remind you to clean or replace your charcoal filter. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, understand why the filter light is on. Your microwave has a charcoal filter. It helps remove odors from cooking. Over time, this filter gets dirty. The microwave reminds you to clean or replace it. Now, let's begin the reset process. The microwave must be in standby mode. This means the display should show the time. If it's running, press the stop/clear button. Make sure nothing is cooking. Next, locate the control panel. Find the buttons. Look for the clock and timer/on/off buttons. These are the buttons we'll use. Press and hold the clock button. Keep holding it down. While holding the clock button, press and hold the timer/on/off button. Hold both buttons down at the same time. Continue holding both buttons for about 3 seconds. Watch the display. You should see the filter indicator light turn off. This means the reset was successful. If the light doesn't turn off, try again. Make sure you're pressing both buttons simultaneously. Ensure the microwave is in standby mode. Sometimes it takes a few tries. If it still doesn't work, check your owner's manual. The instructions might be slightly different. If you recently cleaned or replaced the filter, you're done. If not, now's a good time to clean or replace the filter. A clean filter helps your microwave work better. It also keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. You can find replacement filters online. Search for GE JVM7195SKSS microwave filter. Many retailers sell them. To clean the filter, remove it from the microwave. Wash it with mild soap and water. Rinse it well. Let it dry completely before putting it back. A clean and reset filter ensures optimal microwave performance. So there you have it. That's how to reset the filter indicator on your GE JVM7195SKSS microwave. It's a quick and easy way to maintain your appliance. We hope this video was helpful. Remember to clean or replace your filter regularly. A clean filter helps keep your microwave working efficiently. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Also, share this video with your friends who might find it useful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to check out our other videos. Your support helps us create more content. Thanks again for watching.